Hi everybody, welcome to Kuja's Candle School. My name is Marie. Thank you guys so much for being here, and thank you to the new subscribers. Welcome. And for those who have been here from the beginning, thank you guys so much for sticking by. And if you're new, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe because good videos are coming after this. And if you're not, still thumbs up and like this video because other people will be able to find this video. You know, who knows if it's helpful to them or not, so we'll make sure they get the video too. But today's video, okay, well, today's video is basically a question that I have received on my YouTube channel. So I have received a question from YouTube, and this video is about that question. And the question is from Inky Impressions. Hi. She says, what would you say are your top 10 fragrances from all the vendors you've used? Oh my God, this question is just not fair, but I'll just answer it. So as you guys already know, when I was first starting, I used to buy all my fragrances from Nature's Garden, and I still love Nature's Garden because I still shop from them because they are my day one, and not only that, they smell really good. So I will also have like Candle Science here, and I will have Aztec and also Candles and Supply. You guys already know that I have the Candles and Supply right next to my house here, about 20 minutes, not that far. So yeah, so let's get into this video and I will tell you guys what are my favorite, I guess like my 10 favorite scents from all the vendors. So number one, unfortunately, most of them, I think like most of them are from Candle Science. I still love Nature's Garden. But anyways, let's start with Candle Science. So Candle Science is Blackcurrant Absinthe. I love Blackcurrant Absinthe. Oh my gosh, it has like that masculine smell to it. For some reason, it just, goodness, it just never gets old, you know. It just makes me feel so good. It smells good. It's sweet. It has that like smells like blackcurrant, obviously, but it smells really weird. Not weird, not in a bad way, but like in a good way. You know, it gives you that masculine type of like smell, but they're not overpowering. It's just like classic, you know, like classic smell. So that's why I will always have Blackcurrant Absinthe in my collection, my all-time collection. The other one from Candle Science is, we said 10. It's not fair because I have so many of them that I really love, like Black Sea. But anyways, let's talk about Amber Noir, right? Amber Noir just, it has that smell to it. You know, like, you know when you go to like this, let's say like a nice built house, right? And it's like everything is clean and things are just where they're supposed to be. And there is like this fragrance that's like lingering around. I don't know, but that's what it reminds me of, like Amber Noir. So Amber Noir is definitely one of my top. So, but this is Amber Noir, and Amber Noir smells amazing. So let's talk about Cashmere Plum. I have a bigger one, but I didn't feel like digging into my fragrances because I just moved some stuff around. So I still need to place my fragrances where they belong. So I went ahead and got this little, you know, bottle of like Cashmere Plum. This is how I was first introduced to Cashmere Plum. Cashmere Plum. When I smelled Cashmere Plum, I said to myself, this is ridiculous. There is no way that I will not have this fragrance. It just smells good. It's just one of them that will always and forever just be on my everyday top 10, and it will be sold also on my website all the time. So yes, Cashmere Plum, definitely. Now we have Mahaganishe. Okay, guys. Okay, Mahaganishe. I put this in my soap. Oh my God! Like, you know, it's just that. It makes me happy. I'm gonna cry, but it's not that deep. But oh my gosh, Mahaganishe. I don't know how to describe the smell. You're just gonna have to get a sample and just smell it. But it smells so good that I don't know. I can't say that I promise that you will love the smell, but for me, Mahaganishe in my soap and my candles, period. So let's move to Aztec. I only have few from Aztec actually that I can choose for this video, because Aztec, actually I have so much there that, you know, there are some smells that reminds me of my dad and some stuff like that, but personal to me, you know what I'm saying? But if I have to choose, if I really have to choose, because these are not like personal, right? This video is not about what's your personal fragrance oil, but this video is basically my tin top, right? That it doesn't mean that those wouldn't be there. That's why I said this is not fair. But anyways, so I have like honeysuckle from Aztec, which I am actually going to order a big one, because honeysuckle, like, it smells like summer, you know. It has like that flower smell to it that I really, really, really like. So yeah, honeysuckle is one of them. Hawaiian hibiscus, right? Hibiscus, okay? So that's how I say it. That's how you're gonna have to take it. But yes, it smells good because I have hibiscus tea that I drink, and I love the smell. And this reminds me of that. It's just true to its smell. See, like, that's one thing about Aztec, is that Aztec is very true to its smell. That's one thing that I would give to them. It's like, you know, I'm not putting any companies down or, like, you know, talking bad about any companies, but if it comes to like a product smelling like the way it's supposed to smell, Aztec is definitely one of them. Because there is one that, you know, a sample like this that I have here. It's tobacco, and it smells exactly like tobacco. Not that I have, you know, smoked tobacco, I don't, but, you know, it smells just like it. So Aztec is definitely true to its name. You know, whatever fragrance it is, that's exactly the smell that you're going to get, at least with my experience. So I only have one for now for candles, from Candles and Supplies. Obviously, I like the strawberry cheesecake from Candles and Supplies. Guys, oh my god, strawberry cheesecake from Candles and Supplies just literally makes you think of strawberry cheesecake. It just makes you want to eat strawberry cheesecake. It just smells so good. And at my last pop-up event, actually, strawberry cheesecake, I'm sold out of it. It's done. It's gone. So strawberry cheesecake smells really good. But my other thing that I like about from Candles and Supplies is Fireside Amber. This is a new one that I just bought. I really, really smell. I love the smell. It gives you that woodsy type of like fragrance type of smell. You know, like when how do you say? You know, like when it rains, after it rains, and then you go into nature, wood smell, not the trees, but the wood smell. That's what it reminds me of. Now let's move on to Nature's Garden. So this is new, and this is Eucalyptus Spearmint from Nature's Garden. I will only get my Eucalyptus Spearmint from Nature's Garden, period, and that's it. That's the only place that I will get it from. The reason being is because it does not smell like, it smells like Eucalyptus Spearmint. It's so true to its name. And I have bought like Eucalyptus Spearmint from other places, but honestly, I think I like Eucalyptus Spearmint from Nature's Garden, and also from Aztec, by the way. If I am choosing from anywhere, if Nature's Garden doesn't have Eucalyptus Spearmint anymore, I will definitely get it from Aztec. But yeah, it smells so good. It has that minty smell to it, and also like eucalyptus. It just gives you that how do you say it? That healing, you know, that healing smell that you will need when you're relaxing. And it's just amazing. This is a new one, a new bottle that I just bought, and people liked it, you know, the Eucalyptus Spearmint, and I will always have it from Nature's Garden. All right, let's move to wild musk type, guys. So this is in my fall, you know, my fall scents that are coming up in September 25th. So this is in my fall scent, and this has been like what people loved. Like when I went to my my last pop-up event, people bought this. I came home with only 2 of this in wax melt, 2 wax melt, and I only have 1 wax melt left in this wild musk type, because my first subscription box sold out. So I added 1 of this wild musk in there, and the person said He's like, you know, I like musk. And I'm like, oh, yeah, you know, like, so it smells really, really good. And people like the wild musk. Oh my God. It has like that musky type of smell to it, you know? So, definitely I will have wild musk again. After I run out of this, I'm going to buy another one of this. So, yes. Okay, my favorite that I just discovered, and it's so weird because I personally like this, and people, some of them liked them. Like, you know, two other people agreed with me at the pop-up event that they like the smell of nag shampoo. So the nag shampoo is from Nature's Garden, obviously. But you know what's funny is that people come to me, they'll smell this, and then they'll say, I've never seen nag shampoo in candle or wax melt before. I'm like, yes, you know? So that made me happy because some of them really like the smell, and some of them just like the sweet smell, like strawberry cheesecake, right? So, but yeah, nag shampoo, guys. If you're into nag shampoo incense, just know that this will smell good, okay? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Okay. I don't know how to describe this. The only thing that I can relate it to is my background inside of the mosque. Period. I'm just gonna stop there. So anyways, these are my top 10. So my number one favorite is personally, when it comes to like my spiritual practice, it's definitely nag shampoo. You know, wild musk is my favorite. This video is about favorites, right? So eucalyptus spearmint, absolutely. Blackcurrant absinthe, yes, definitely. Always, always will be will be on my website, basically, always. Fireside Amber, yes, is my favorite. Amber Noir, yes. Candle Science, smells so good. Mahaganishe, so close to my heart, actually will be in my soup. Cashmere Plum, of course, of course. And Hawaiian hibiscus, I love it. I'm ordering a new, a bigger one. So, and honeysuckle, you know, yes. So, anyways, this is the end of this video. If you have made it this far, make sure you comment your opinion, you know, about the everything that I just mentioned in this video. Let me know what you think about it. Leave your opinion below, and also don't forget to like, thumbs up this video, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.